these colours are absolutely distinct from it. There's no ambiguity in that. That red is not sort of veering on the colour wheel over towards yellow or over towards blue. It's stuck there in the middle of the reds on the colour wheel. The yellow is a nice bright yellow, and the blue isn't. The blue is a central blue. It's not veering over to red like ultramarine is, or it's not veering over to green like cerulean blue is. It's stuck in the middle, and that means when you mix them, you get truer colours. This is terps, right? Okay, olive oil, not olive oil, linseed oil. Okay, I'm going to make a salad. Now it's linseed oil, this, and it's refined linseed oil. Where's my linseed oil? I'll put it back. I'm going to show you some brushes, okay? Because a lot of people ask me which brushes should I use. We're painting small. The canvas, the panel that I'm going to paint on is what, 8 inches by 8 inches. So I'm going to use these, and they're all, well, actually, apart from that one, these are synthetic, these ones. And here's the thing that I see people do, okay? You're going to put out your colours, and people, I see them spotting their colours all over the palette, you know, a red here, a white there. So don't do that. So you've got some real estate here. Got some real estate here, and all you want to do is just maximize your real estate by placing it. So I find that the best way to do it is to actually draw straight lines. You just draw a straight line there, straight line there. Okay, and then you could do a straight line coming down there like that. A straight line down there like that. Like that. Like that. And your curve is made up of just straight lines. That's how you make a curve. So now it already looks like a curve. But this is the way you paint in oils, you see. You'll see this later, that you're not drawing a finely wrought curved line and then painting up to the line. That's what children are taught to do. That's a metric at school. You know, that they get a picture with a black line and white paper, and then they're asked to colour in up to the line. That's the body colour of the foreground, but this is the shadow colour of the foreground, because the light isn't getting to there as much. Okay, then what's happening is because this is reflective, and I suppose this is too, really, if you think about it, the light's bouncing back up. So you will get an area of that lemon, around about here, which is actually reflecting this. So now that we've got it blocked in, that means we can start going through, we can start into our subtleties, you know, and shades and little details. Okay, so for example, there's a kind of a reddish, darkish point at the tip of that lemon. So red, the change is too radical, and it will just mess the entire thing up. It'll turn into a mushy green colour. All right, so it's the same in a kind of a more subtle way, that if you try and make changes that are too radical, what happens in a painting is you get to this stage. In fact, you stop looking at the model, at the subject, and you just make this what you want it to be. Not even strokes, really. I'm pushing the paint around that I have already on there, so I think that really kind of brings it to the end. So I'm going to change cameras or show it to you now.